Hello mates, in this video I am going to review the Huawei Matebook D15. It was released by Huawei Technologies based in Shenzhen, Guangdong, China. Let's start with its appearance. The Huawei Matebook D15 has obviously have a wider screen compared to other laptops with 15.6 inches screen because of the narrowed 5.3mm bezels. It is also slim, having a height of 16.9mm. When close, of course, it weighs approximately a total of 1.62 kg. This one that I chose has a space gray color, giving my Matebook D15 a simple and plain but elegant appearance that complements its metallic body. It also has useful ports, including two USB 2.0 ports and a 3.5mm audio jack on its right side, while its slot includes a USB 3.0 port, an HDMI, and a Type-C USB port for its charger. The Matebook D15 speaker is placed right underneath, also via access phone, while its microphone is in front. And if you're wondering where the camera is, it's right here. Just press it and it will show. You don't need to buy camera cover for your privacy anymore, because it is always hidden unless you use it. Maybe in the first use it's a bit odd to look in the keyboard or the camera, but it's actually pretty great. It doesn't look like you're looking down in the camera. It has a nice angle though. One advantage of your smartphone is a Huawei 2. You can just tap your phone on your laptop using its feature, the Huawei Share, and then voila! Your phone screen will show up on your laptop screen, which allows you to drag and drop files between them and edit the files on your laptop while also messaging on your phone using the same keyboard and mouse. But unfortunately for me, I do not have a Huawei phone. And now, let us proceed to the Matebook D15 specifications. It is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 processor with an 8GB DDR4 RAM and Radeon Vega 8 graphics, having storage of 1TB HDD and 256GB SSD that offers a fast performance with so much memory to use. Okay, we're done on its hardware part. Now, let's check out on its built-in software. We have here Huawei PC Manager, Microsoft Store, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Office 16 that includes Word, Excel, Presentation Note, OneDrive, and so much more. Now that we have seen its features and known its specs, we can review its performance. It's pretty fast copying and pasting or moving any type of files, and it's really soothing to watch movies in its widescreen. The speaker is also loud but a little sketchy in max volume. Much better sounds in earphones. The microphone is good in picking up sounds and voice recording. I almost forgot to talk about the camera. It says it can capture in 720p HD, but as what I've observed, it is only maybe 480p. One of the softwares that I'll be needing is AutoCAD. So let us test the performance speed of the Huawei Matebook D15 here. It's not that bad. I can say the installation time is pretty much above the average. I also don't experience lags in building my projects even in 3D mode. By the way, I've been using this for more than a month. When it comes to graphics and display, there's little downside though. For a gamer, or I can say I'm a certified gamer, but to a person who likes games like me, I think it doesn't reach the level of a high-performance gaming experience. Well, as what I know, this laptop is really not made for gaming though. Another downside, maybe for me, is it has a built-in battery, meaning it's not detachable and so you can't perform a one-day-long task without plugging and unplugging its charger. Unlike detachable battery, you can just remove the battery to plug it in and use it all day if you have a heavy-duty works to do. It has a fast charging system though. In just 2 hours of charge, your battery will be fully charged. Unfortunately, it only lasts for about 5 hours before it wants to charge again when you use it simultaneously. For the last part of this review, let's talk about how much it costs. One of the most important things to consider when buying anything, especially a laptop for online schooling. If you're just a student like me who depends on my mom's money, so yeah, thanks to my mom for buying me this laptop. Okay, this costs $760 or 37,990 pesos. It includes a laptop backpack, which I never possess because the one who picked up my laptop asked for it in exchange, and also earphones as a freebie from the store where we bought the laptop. All in all, it is not that bad for a little lighter and heavy-duty work kit. The price and specs is reasonable. Maybe not good enough for gaming but fine in working stuffs. And so much for a personal use only. Huawei Matebook D15 is medium average. Just a tip for you mates, do not use the USB 3.0 port besides the Type-C USB port when the charger is connected. It will heat up fast. So, I guess this is the end of this video. Thank you mates for tuning up to my review of the Huawei Matebook D15. Hope it helps you mates in some, even a little. That's it for now. Have a great day.